we're here today to talk about the Finesse Caramics range. The Finesse Caramics range offers professional detailing results at home, with easy-to-use products to protect all surfaces of your vehicle, from paintwork to glass, fabric, leather and wheels, offering 12 months durable protection. The Caramics range consists of 4 individual kits, one for your paintwork, one for your glass, one for your interior and one for your wheels. The complete protection kit contains all 4 of these. The paintwork protection kit offers an easy to apply ceramic protection with increased levels of gloss, protection against UV damage and ease of maintenance. The glass protection kit offers 12 months protection for all external glass, for better vision whilst driving in all weather conditions. The wheel protection kit offers 12 months durable protection on all wheel finishes against road grime and brake dust. The interior protection kit offers a long-lasting protection solution for all interior surfaces, from leather to carpet and velour with anti-dye stain technology.